Hello there and welcome back to Chris on Motorcycles. Before we continue, usual as always folks, hit that like button and subscribe. What we've got today, we've got a 1982 Yamaha RD125 LC. The bike has just come off the van. I just thought I'd give you a quick walk round and show you this vehicle. It's not been prepped out like that, this is exactly how it's come in. So there will be a more detailed video, if I don't sell it in the meantime, of this bike in its shiny glory. This is fresh in, just arrived. Chris has just been to pick it up. UK registered bike. Real nice original machine. Currently showing 23,000 miles on the clock. Yeah, just a real nice little 125 RD/LC out there for you nostalgic folk. So I'm just going to put the camera down best I can and I'll just go and start it. And again, I apologise, you've got the back end of me, not ideal. Only you guys could smell what I can smell. Oh, don't get any better than that, does it? I think we ought to be able to, should be able to bottle it. So yes, like I said, just a real quick one. That's the 1982 RD125 LC with microns fitted. Nice bike. We will have it detailed and cleaned up, and if I don't sell it in the meantime, there will be a more detailed video coming at you soon. Any questions, just give us a shout, 01302 760 967, or you can email me, chrisonmotorcycles@googlemail.com. We've got plenty of two-strokes in stock, so if you want to come down and have a look, grab a brew, more than welcome. We can do nationwide or international delivery on this vehicle, or any of our others. Just give us a call for a quote on that. So anyway, like I say, real quick one on this bike. I'm going to sign off now. Any questions, 01302 760 967, and with that in mind, have a good day folks. Cheers.